Hi, I'm Aaron from the Department of Fire and Emergency Services. This is the first episode in our Firewise Gardening Guide series. We'll be looking at why Firewise gardening is important for protecting your property against bushfires. The Department of Fire and Emergency Services Bushfire Centre of Excellence has developed the Firewise Gardening in Western Australia Guide to assist Western Australians with designing their own Firewise garden to help protect their properties against bushfires. What is Firewise gardening? Firewise gardening is creating a garden while keeping the risk and threat of a bushfire in mind. Depending on where you live in Western Australia, the peak fire danger season can differ. Take the time to find your property on the map and the season when your property is most in danger. Over 90% of Western Australia is bushfire prone, so it is important to consider Firewise gardening when preparing your property for bushfire season. Every fire is different, and the fuel that the fire is exposed to impacts the time frame and intensity of a bushfire spreading across your property. Fire danger ratings are there to keep you and your property safe. The Australian fire danger rating system is separated into 4 levels: moderate, high, extreme and catastrophic. Think about creating a bushfire plan to follow in case there is a bushfire in your area, as this is going to increase your chance of survival. Topography, weather and fuel are the 3 main factors influencing a bushfire's ability to burn. It is vital to remember that a fire requires fuel to burn. Minimising the access that a bushfire has to fuel is the first step in making your garden more firewise. Keep in mind that fine fuel and coarse fuel burn at different rates. Fine fuel includes leaves, twigs, and detached bark from certain plant species. Live and dead vegetation are also examples of fine fuels. Fine fuel is quick to ignite and burn, causing fires to escalate quickly. Coarse fuels refer to large dead branches. It is ignited after a flame front has passed and can burn for hours. Bushfire attack level, also known as BAL, is a measure of the severity of buildings' potential exposure to a bushfire. The Asset Protection Zone, or APZ, is the very low fuel area immediately surrounding your house or other structures on your property. It must include a defendable space, which is an accessible area where firefighting operations can be undertaken. Check with your local government regarding these requirements for your area. To find out more about bushfire behaviour, preparing your property for a bushfire, and planning your Firewise garden, you can refer to Chapter 2 to 4 in the Firewise Gardening in Western Australia Guide. You can download your free online copy today, available on the Bushfire Centre of Excellence website.